1897, elders of the Zion's met, chalked out a plan. Only after 20 years, they could expect the declaration from Balfour that they have a right to settle in Palestine. That's the change of the tide. 1948, Israel established. First war between Arabs and Israel. Israel got more occupation. After about 20 years again, 1967, the Six-Day War. Israel expanded. Jerusalem taken. And to cut a long story short, after the Gulf War, all Arabs put to the maximum humiliation before Israel. They never wished to talk to Israel. Now they had to sit with Israel on one table in Madrid, their graveyard. 1992 is the year of Spain. Why? Because 1592 was the year of the fall of Granada. The washing off of the Iberian Peninsula of Muslim soul and Muslim culture completed. 500 years later, 1992 became the year of Spain. World Olympics held there. And the peace talks between Israel and Arabs started from there.